proud to say I'm finally getting the hang of my shit. I figured it out. I know the way.
Alright guys, it's your boy Kemo Commission. So it's Tuesday today, so right here I'm looking at your USD. It's been a while since I looked at your USD, so I'm trying to trade like USD for sorry. My bad, I'm not feeling okay. I have like a bit of flu, but I'll be alright. So hopefully I'll be loud and clear. So right here, as you can see, we have like currency pair of which is your USD, and you know it is going to be New York session. Actually, I think it has started. Waiting for New York open at 3:30, if I'm not mistaken. So today I'm not swing trading, right? I'm going to drop a video regarding the video that I dropped about like market breakdown session on Monday. So today I'm doing like it's more like a live trading session. Already I've sent the setup, so I cleared my chart just to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I already sent like an idea, but not necessarily an advice to the members in the group, free Telegram channel and my Discord channel. So since we had like a bigger structure, we had like what we have here. We have our imbalance. So this is our imbalance that are supposed to be filled out, right? Okay, so it has been filled out, and then so we are on the 50 minutes time frame. So the reason I'm doing like I'm trying liquidity here. I'm going to move this because this line, because the reason I can't trade, I don't know what's happening. It doesn't want to be straight when I trade next to the candlesticks. This is what I'm talking about. You see what's happening? So that's the reason why I trade on the side. So here you had like liquidity that was like taken out. The reason I'm saying it was taken out is because here we had like candlesticks that were formed, but they didn't go like we didn't have like another breakout structure indicating that we're still going up. So at the same time here we had like our Asian session and our Asian highs were taken out. So accumulation, distribution, manipulation. So this was like accumulation, distribution. So we're looking for manipulation to the downside, then taking these lows. So here we have our sell side liquidity. Mind you guys, like I said on the previous video, you don't have to be correct all the time. You can be wrong, and that's okay as long as you are risking proper. Already I'm inside a trade. Right now I'm currently running into a bit of profits, but I was hoping I can take like more sales here, but chances are you might not go to this supply zone again. So let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. So when I go to the 5 minutes time frame, this is where we have our, so I'm just gonna copy and paste this. So turn this into like a change of character. So when you go to a lower time frame, this low was taken out, so we have our change of character here, and then this is our extreme supply zone. Actually it's our extreme supply zone, at the same time it's our order block. So if you look at this was mitigated, right? This is a 50 minute. Let me specify it. This was our 5 minute supply zone. Let me go back to the 50 minutes time frame, right? So on the 50 minutes time frame, if you can look at this is what we call we had like our inducement here. It looks like the market was supposed to take this, because some people will assume that this is our supply zone. Some people will assume that this is our supply zone. Yes, it is our supply zone, but it might be invalidated at the same time, unless if like you're taking your supply zone and allowing like the market to breathe a bit and putting your stop loss above this previous high, then you're still safe. There's nothing wrong about it. So let me go back to the 5 minutes time frame. I want to show you guys something. Mind you, this is before 4 p.m. in South Africa. So here we remove close that arrow. On this uptrend here, we had like our break of structure. There's like a candle formation, that the candle that closes, that opens above this area right here, right? So this was supposed to be a demand zone in case the market continues to go to the upside, right? But then at the same time, if you look at this, like this was like invalidated, because the reason I'm saying this was supposed to be the demand zone is the previous demand that took out this high. So this was a failed demand, right? So I prefer to keep my chart clean. Let me delete it. So that indicates we have what you call our change of character. So this is our change of character here. Change of character. I have like two possibilities of like entries. So as to say, this is our change of character. We're expecting to see, let me go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Also, I'll attach the screenshots of like the current running profits. I don't use like too many usual sizes because like my account is not that big, so it's part of like my proper risk management. So at the same time, this is what we have here. So this is our supply zone. But I doubt if ever like you're gonna continue with ourselves, like we'll reach that supply zone. So instead of like entering off that supply zone, what I did was, yo guys, it seems like I'm using too many strategies, but I'm not. I got used to like using them. I just prefer like using swing trading right now because I hardly spend time at home, or sometimes I'm busy like doing other stuff like creating posters for clients and creating like animated videos. So this is our fair value gap. So let me remove the background actually. So this is our fair value gap. Already I took sales here. This is where I took my first sales, and then I put my stop loss above this zone, risking 30 pips, and this can be a target. Now that we're going back, I'll have to check if the market is still going to their fair value gap. So this is what I was looking for. This is what I was looking for in the market, and take my profits here. So now that I'm already in profits, I'll just have to wait. But I think like since the money has went back to my first entry, this was like the entry that I entered like around 2:30. I'm waiting for the one of a fair value gap, so I'm putting my stop loss above that area right there, and this is where my target is for the first entry. This one is a possibility that might happen, so this is what I'm looking to enter. So I set like a sell limit at this point, and then I'm planning to take my time, my profits here. So I'll upload so this is sell side liquidity. I'll upload the video with like before and after results for this one. So in the meantime, let's just wait. So I won't record like the whole process. I just attach like the results after to showcase what happened. So yeah.
Yes.
Okay guys, like I promised that I'm gonna attach the other video. So unfortunately we didn't go to a full video gap, so already I've taken this entry before. So let me put my stop loss here, and okay, before I do that, let me check. So basically I'm gonna upload like 2 videos like today on YouTube. Please check them out. So if you check, it has went down for like 4 pips. So I think I made like $22 right now. So I'm just gonna close manually in case like this thing decides to turn around. But yeah, here you go. I'll attach the screenshot of profits to show you my entry, and yeah. Oh, and I'm gonna drop the first video whereby like I'm reviewing my trades, and then I'll drop this one. So don't be surprised when I'm talking about like my other account being on like 2%. So I think right now I'm gonna be on 2.5%.
Hey, God took a wheel.